Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching us from. And regardless of the time zone, we want to say you're welcome to this video again. And my name is David, and today I represent Powerson Metals on this video. And yesterday, or previously, we talked about the selections of the uh, galvanized or galvanized steels for XUZHOU. And today we talk about the color coated steel. Okay, but just before we do that, I want to give you a little information about this company and Powerson Metal in particular. So Powerson Metal was established in 2003, and it is located in Jiangsu province, yeah, specifically Suzhou city. And to be honest with you, the transportation is quite convenient in terms of the accessibility, considerate of the cost and the distance. And that is because this city is quite accessible, and the location is right in the middle of Beijing and Shanghai. And obviously by now, I guess you already know that Shanghai and Beijing are two municipalities that host the arrival of millions of international expats. So it is quite a fact that locating this place from Beijing or Shanghai is quite a potato, quite easy. Okay, so there will be a video below there, the link there, so you can just look out for it to see the achievement trends, the sales and the history trends of Powerson Metals.
XUZHOU Powerson Metal Technology Company Limited is a leading integrated company of manufacturer and trade in China. We are specialized in galvanized steel, galvalume steel, pre-painted steel, tinplate, and also doing deep processing for these products, example Gracia plain sheets, roofing sheets, slit strips, and so on. Powerson's vision is to be a world-class professional, reliable and outstanding steel supplier. Our mission is to offer valuable services, be the best choice. The value of our company development is the pursuit of integrity ensures sustainable development. Over the years, we have pioneered and explored in practice. Our company pays attention to the simultaneous development of online platforms and offline promotion, insists on obtaining the recognition of customers with professionalism, and wins respect from customers with strength. We will continue to optimize service methods and service quality so that customers can truly feel our unique service. Powerson annual output of steel 60,000 tons. We have the ability to supply your demand in large quantities. High quality and excellent service, Powerson to be an ideal choice for customers. Our main products galvanized steel, galvalume steel, and pre-painted steel are of high quality and credit and are widely used in architecture, light industry, transportation, household appliances, etc. According to domestic and foreign market demand and cost saving, in recent years we have introduced several cutting, roofing, and slitting equipment and also established a logistics company to achieve a one-stop service of production, processing, and transportation. At present, Powerson's products have been sold to Southeast Asia, South Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and other regions which include more than 40 countries. Based on high quality, honesty, and competitive price, we sincerely welcome customers from home and abroad to contact and cooperate with us in order to achieve mutual benefits and development, creating a bright future.
Yeah. So for the last 17 years, Powerson Metals has focused mainly on steel supply, and then they have already managed to gather some international cooperative partners around the world. So come to think of it, 17 years of active involvement, production, and the distribution of steels that includes galvanized steels, galvalume, color coated steels, and you name the rest. Okay, you name the rest. So from all indications, we can clearly say that Powerson Metals has the formal and ethical trading approach. Moreover, they has the international pedigree to supply you the very metals that you might be in need of, especially when it comes to galvalumes, coated, and the rest of them. So, so now let's talk about the corrosion performance of these steels. Corrosion performance. When we hear about corrosion, is all about the resistance of oxidation. So at first we'll look at the color coated steels.
Color coated steel sheet is based on galvanized steel or galvalume steel. Apply one or more layers of liquid paint on it. We call it PPGI or PPGL for short. The color coated steel can be divided into common color, pattern design, and texture.
So color coated is basically based on GR and GL, like the galvanized and the galvalume. Okay, so the only difference that we have there is the aspect where a painting is what is applied to the steel. Okay, so when the painting is applied to it, we either call it for short PPGI or PPGI for short. So it's the pre-painted something of galvanized and then galvalume. Okay, so basically for the color coated has 5 layers. The first layer is the cold rod steel sheets. That's the first layer, and then the second layer is the metallic coating, and then the third layer should be the conversion, the metallic conversion, the chemical conversion coating, and the fourth layer is the premier, and then the last layer should be the final finish coating. So that's the 5 layers of the color coated steel right there. Okay, so now let's talk about the color. In my hands here there are so many colors you see here, and the color is we have a range from normal colors, the pattern, the texture colors, and that of the pure colors. So basically customers can select from right numbers on the way. So for the pattern colors, we have wooden, we have bricks, we have the stone, the camouflage, and the texture. So in my hands here is an example of the texture. You can take a look at this one. This is the texture color, and you can see how it is well crafted. Okay, and then this is the paintings right here, and take a look at it. I'll take my time so you can see what I'm talking about in my hands here. Yep. And this one is the embodied color. Take a look at it. So basically we can actually provide you lots of colors in the color coated. Like I said, the textural colors and that of the normal colors and the pure colors. Okay, so basically you can just leave a comment right below this video if you have specific questions to know. That's the only way we can know how to address your question or to give you a proper service. Okay, and you can also contact us through WhatsApp and through our WeChat as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the specifications of the regular products, and then that would be the thickness and the width or the widening of the products. Okay, so we can actually provide you between 0.12 to 1.2 millimeter, and the wideness from 600 to 1250 millimeters for the thickness. And for the paintings, you have your preference. There are so many selections that you can grab, and one is the PVDF, which is the polyvinylidene fluoride. Okay, yeah. So there are so many colors and the painting brands too that you can select from. So, and then if you need special classification or special maybe your products need special requirements for what you want to order, we can also customize these things for you. So we are actually at your preference mostly. You tell us what you want, and then we tell you what the cost might be or what the costs are, and then we provide you exactly what your preferences are. Okay. So now let's talk about the packaging or the shipment. Okay. So Powerson Metal has a lot of experiences in a long time experience when it comes to packaging. So they use a very strong packaging bundles and both vertical and horizontal packing. So basically there's a waterproof oil paper that is used and then finally wrapped in the transparent film, so that you don't have to worry about the products. They are safe, and then this kind of packaging can actually protect the products from anti-corrosion. Yeah, anti-corrosion protecting actually. Okay. So what next to talk about? So in fact, color coated is widely used in so many various areas. Okay, so they are applicable to lots of areas, for roofing, for electric cabinets, for agricultural purposes, and household appliances, even the automobiles industries. So I think it has a wide range of use and advantages. Yeah. So this is another question maybe somebody might want to ask about the purchase, how to buy these products or how to make a purchase with our company, Powerson Metal. So, and this kind of question is mainly about the quantity and the price. So as for the quantity, Powerson Metal has a minimal quantity order policy, and that policy is about the least amount of order you can make if you want us to ship or to package a goods for you or this product for you, and that is 50 tons, and that is about 2 times a 20-feet container. Yeah, so that's the minimum order you can make for our company here. That's the minimum order and above. Yeah. So about the price, if you need a kind of how should I say, accurate price, if you need us to give you the accurate price of these products, then you have to supply us with a detailed information about what you want to buy, and that includes the thickness, the width, and the zinc layer, the coatings, and the quantity, and most importantly, your destination, the destination port that you want us to ship the goods to. Okay, so basically that is that. So just for a recap, we talk about the Powerson Metals, how you can access this company, and we talk about the color coated products, the various textures and colors. We talk about it, and we also address the issue of the minimal order policy and how you can make an order. Okay, so usually we don't stay long here, so I think today this is what we have for you today, and then we hope you can grab the opportunity to watch this video next time, and then you can also have the opportunity to know more about our products. So till the next time we see you again, we say thanks for watching us, thanks for joining us this time, and to our technical team, Coco behind the camera, and we say thank you for setting this up and for everything. Bye.